Welcome back to Auxito Garage, everyone. I got a fun one for you today. Today we're going to be installing some LED taillights onto a 1998 Toyota Tacoma SR5. So the boys at Auxito reached out to me and said, hey Koosh, how about you run some of our lights on your truck and then share that experience with your viewers, see what they think. I said, that sounds mighty fine to me. They even sweetened up the deal and gave me a coupon code, Auxito. That'll save you 15% off your purchase. So I'm going to leave the link and the coupon down in the description of this video. Make sure to check that out. And by the end of this video, if this seems like something you want to give it a try, go ahead and click them links. Bob's your uncle. That's all you got to do. So, and stay tuned because the next video, I'm going to be installing their LED headlights as well, which will be pretty sweet because I got some halogens on the SR5. So upgrading to some LEDs would be pretty neat. I haven't actually opened this up yet and checked it out, so let's go ahead and give it an inspection. Okay. So these look like the ones. They are projector 360 degree, and they do look like the right ones. These are pretty nice, pretty sturdily built. This should be a fairly simple, straightforward install if you've never done one before. I'll go ahead and show you how to remove the other ones and how to put these in. And then after it's all installed, we'll go ahead and take this for a test drive and I'll show you a before and after video. All right, to remove these taillight assemblies, we have 4 Phillips head screws. The light we're going to be changing is this middle light here. To remove, simply press the light in a little bit and then it pulls right out. Installation will be the same thing in reverse. And that is significantly brighter. And while I'm in here and I have the bulbs, I'm going to go ahead and replace this bottom guy here as well. So if you're also looking for that part number, it's 1157A.